Hey, what's up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something different, but kind of the same. These are the Tozo Nc2 true wireless earbuds. You can pick these up on Amazon or from Tozo's website. I'll put links in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. So in this video, we'll unbox these, check out the features and specs, check out the build quality, check out the fit, and more importantly, see how they sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. Okay, so they come in this white and black box with some Tozo branding up top, a picture of the earbuds right there in the middle. You've got Nc2 on the bottom right, which is the model. And on the left, you've got some of the features. These are ANC. They've got dual mic. They use touch controls. They are lightweight and they offer one-step pairing. So inside the box, you get your user manual, extra ear tips, your charging cable, the case, and the earbuds. Now checking out the extra ear tips, I love how Tozo hooks it up with multiple ear tips. In this case, they give you a total of 12 pairs. You've got like extra small, mediums, medium number 2, large, and extra large. And once again, luckily for me, the ear tips that are installed from the factory fit me nicely. So the charging cable on these are your standard USB-A to USB-C. I've got a ton of these, so I'll be keeping these in the box. No need to break these out. But yeah, once again, it's just your standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Looking at the case, it's a simple design. It's made out of a hard plastic, which is matte black. It's got a smooth texture, kind of slippery. You want to be careful handling these because they might slip out of your hand. In the front, you've got 4 LED lights that shows the battery life. On the bottom, you've got your USB-C port. And on the back, on the bottom of the back, you've got your pairing button. Now the earbuds are a stem design. At first, when I first started reviewing earbuds, I didn't really like them, but since then, this style has grown on me. They're much easier to put on and take out. You've got that additional stem to hold on to versus the stemless design. So on the bottom of the buds, you've got your charging pins. On the side of the earbuds, you've got some Tozo branding. And on the inside of the stem, you've got an R and an L labeled inside, so you know which ear they are for. I appreciate those additional details like that. It gives them a premium look. So as far as the build quality on these, they feel pretty solid. They are IPX6 waterproof with what Tozo calls nano coating. It protects the earbuds from sweat or water, so no problem wearing these in the gym, or if you get caught outside in the rain, they won't get damaged. As far as fit goes, once again, with the medium ear tips that come from the factory, these fit me like a glove. Tozo does offer an additional 10 extra ear tips, so you can find your size to make sure that these fit you good. They've got sizes from extra small to extra large, which I think is awesome because typically the earbuds, you only get a small, medium, or large. Now what I love about these is that they have active noise cancellation, and they can minimize outside or environmental noise up to negative 35 decibels, which I think is awesome, and I think they work really good. Now if you need to be aware of your surroundings, they've got transparency mode, which lets you hear the noise around you. And if that's not enough, you can use these in single mode, where you can have one earbud in your ear and the other one in the charging case. So the earbuds take 2 hours to charge via USB-C. And the case also supports wireless charging, which I think is great. Now for battery life on these things, battery life is excellent. You get 8 hours of playtime from a single charge, and an additional 32 hours when using the case to charge, giving you a total of 40 hours. Now I haven't personally done a battery test on these, but from other reviews that I've watched, they seem to get pretty close to that. Obviously with ANC on, that'll also affect the battery life, but you should still be getting 30 plus hours of playtime, which I think is excellent. So the earbuds use Bluetooth 5.2 technology and supports profiles HSP, HFP, A2DP, AVRCP, and provides in-call stereo sound. Now when watching movies on Netflix or YouTube videos, there is no lag, everything's perfectly in sync. Now I don't play video games on my phone, so I wouldn't be able to tell you if they are any good for that. Now if you're only casual gaming and not playing anything like a first-person shooter which requires low latency, I'm pretty sure these are going to work out. Now let's check out the pairing process. Just a FYI, I've already done this, and I must say it's super easy to pair. All you gotta do is make sure Bluetooth is on your phone, have the earbuds nearby, open up the lid, and your phone should see it. Once it sees it, hit connect, and you're paired. Now anytime you want to use these, just put them in your ear and they'll automatically connect. Now before I forget, let's do a quick microphone check. Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo, testing out the Tozo Nc2 True Wireless Earbuds, doing a quick microphone check. Microphone check 1, 2, microphone check 1, 2. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Personally, I think the mic sounds great. Now as far as sound quality goes, I think these sound excellent. The mids and highs are very clear, perfect for listening to ebooks and listening to podcasts. And with ANC on, the bass is excellent. You can really feel that bump. Now the sizing of the case, it's pretty compact, just a little bit bigger than the iPod Gen 3s. So overall the case is pretty compact and you shouldn't have a problem carrying these in your pocket. Alright, so some final thoughts. Like I mentioned earlier, the case and the earbuds are made out of a hard plastic. That's pretty slick in hand, so you're going to want to watch out when handling these. Also, I've got pretty big hands, and when trying to take out the earbuds, sometimes I can't get a good grip because they're pretty slippery. But overall, for the $30 to $40 range, you get excellent build quality, excellent battery life, and excellent sound quality. So if those features are something that interests you, these buds may be the one for you. So with all that said, that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.